Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all having a blessed day today. This is another Get Ready With Me, and we are using more BelieveBeauty products that were new to me, and I wanted to share my thoughts, how they apply, how they work, all the good jazz. And I'm still going to be doing a full review on all the BelieveBeauty's products that I've recently purchased, and yes, let's get on with it. So first, I'm priming my face with the Milani Rose Oil Face Primer. This is really awesome. I'm just going to apply it, rub it on the face, and then allow it a couple minutes off camera to kind of set in. We're going to prime the lids with Milani Eyeshadow Primer, and this is a Maybelline Trio, dearly loved, and is also marked for Project Pan. And I'm taking a combination of the two browns in this Almond Satin Trio, and I'm applying those in the crease as like a transition shade. And so I'm just going to buff that in, and I believe that I was using the Profusion blending brush. And this eyeshadow palette is from BelieveBeauty, and it is nearly nudes, and we're going to be taking that chocolate, and this is actually a rich kind of chocolate brown, almost has like a red undertone to it as well. And I'm going to apply that in the outer corner and up into the crease about halfway. And literally the first two shades are literally just a transition and a help blend kind of shade. And we're going to blend that all together with some circular motions and windshield wiper flicks there, and we'll build the color up just a little bit in the outer corner. And let me tell you guys, if you've not tried these BelieveBeauty eyeshadows, they're pretty good. Now next up, in that same palette, we're going to be taking the bronzy shimmery kind of shade. And it's a lot more on the orange side, but I definitely describe it as like a bronze. And it's very shimmery, and I'm using that on a flat shader brush. And I'm just going to pat that on the lid, drag it, place it, get it on the lid. I'm going to blend on the edges, and the look is almost done. We're taking the lightest shade in that palette as our highlight shade and our magic eraser, and this is the BelieveBeauty eyeshader brush, and I love it for applying the highlight. It does such a great job at blending edges down. And we're going to take the crease color to meet the brow bone highlight and mesh them together as one. And then I'm going to be taking the BelieveBeauty metallic eyeliner, and this is the brown one, and the names of these products will be in the description box below. It's literally just a brown liquid eyeliner pen. They're not very metallic, which is something I really actually love about it. They have metallic on their name, but they're not so much metallic, but they are a very pigmented eyeliner pen for $4.50, I believe, so really good deal. Wipe away any kind of fallout. Now we're moving on to the BelieveBeauty Skin Finish Foundation, and I have it in porcelain because I'm very pale skinned. And I'm just going right away, no color correctors or anything like that, and applying it on the skin. Just kind of dotting it around on my skin with my fingers. It has a very nice pump on it, very easy to use. And this is the BelieveBeauty foundation brush, and I believe this was like $3.50, $4. I like how it applied the foundation. I actually really love how the foundation felt on my skin. I wore it all day long in 90-degree weather. I felt like it looked good still at the end of the day. The brush did a very good job at buffing and blending it out, and I'm actually really impressed with that brush. It's very soft and dense, and yes, not more than I can say about it. It did do a very good job at blending that foundation out, dispersing it how it should over the skin. This foundation is a medium to full coverage build, so here we have like medium coverage on my face, and you can build it to full. It doesn't look cakey or powdery once it dries down on the skin. And I am going in with the Amuse 2-in-1 foundation concealer product here under the eyes and a little on the nose. And anywhere I thought that I might need a little bit more coverage and a little bit more brightness. This is the BelieveBeauty sponge, and I'm just blending that concealer out with that and the brush itself. And I think these two products, the brush and the sponge, work amazing. Totally worth the money. The sponge is really nice and big and fluffy, or soft. And I'm using the e.l.f. finishing powder, and I'm just taking that on the foundation brush and setting certain areas of the face, especially the under eyes, and buffing that out with my kabuki and really working that into the skin for a flawless kind of finish. We're going to set our eyebrows with the Color Workshop Clear Mascara, and we're almost done. I love how this look came out. It's so pretty and sultry. It reminds me of fall. So pretty for fall. I'm using the WetnWild Brow Highlighter, and next up, that's in the waterline, I'm going to be taking the BelieveBeauty Glimmer Pot in Pink Quartz, and I just thought I would add a little bit of this golden pink shade to the inner corner, and I think it went well. And I don't necessarily like this product all over my lid, and I'll explain why in the review video, but I am liking this product for other purposes, so I will definitely tell you all about them in the review video. And this is the Maybelline Sensational Lash Sensational Curvitude Mascara. The lips is a Cherry Cherie liquid nude lipstick, and here is the light medium bronzing blush highlight palette. So we're gonna bronze, and I'm trying out that little mermaid brush for the first time, and I actually think it's really good for bronzing and contouring, not blending out but just color placement. And I found it at the Dollar Tree. I just had to use it, and it's actually been my go-to brush for contouring and bronzing. I'm just gonna blend that out. And I was thumbs downing the fact that I did get mascara in my eye, and it tainted my entire left eye, and it looks kind of weird from the white right eye, and it bothered me so very much. But thankfully it's just to get ready with me, and I was just staying at home today. So this little blush and bronzer and highlight trio is actually really nice for $5. I definitely recommend it. I think it would be perfect for traveling and just everyday kind of use in your makeup bag, taking to work or something for touch-ups, or when you're out and about, because you have all three products there. I am using the WetnWild Reserve Your Cabana highlight because I'm trying to pan this. Well, it's already panned, but I mean, I'm trying to use it up in a project pan, and I really love the product. And it's not like a bam in your face like highlight, but it's more like of an inner glow kind of highlight. And then I'm going to take the highlight from the trio and apply some of that with my finger just to the cheeks and the nose for a better bam in your face kind of highlight. But I'm gonna blend that out really good, and it's still not so much that it doesn't appear to be like inner glow. So we're using the BelieveBeauty setting spray and my Dollar Tree fan, and I spritz that all over my face, and I think that this setting spray works really good. My makeup lasts all day, stayed in place, and yes, more details on that later. But really liking these new products. And there's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the look and the many little product insights. Hope you guys will recreate the look for yourselves. I thank you guys always for watching. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links and a product list. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching.